Here's how to set up your Google credentials in under 4 minutes, so you can connect any Google app in n8n. We'll start with Google Drive. In n8n, click on Google Drive, then select Create New Credential. You'll see you need a client ID and a client secret. That means it's time to set up a Google Cloud account. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, create one now. Next, you'll need to create a project. If you already have one, great. Otherwise, click New Project. Give it a name. Let's call this one n8n Automation Demo and click Create. With your project ready, make sure you select it so you're working in the right place. Head over to the menu and look for APIs and Services. Click on it, then click OAuth Consent Screen and select Get Started. For app name, enter n8n Demo and add your support email. Make sure this support email is the same one you want to use to access the app. For audience, you can leave everything as is but select External, then click Next. Next, add your contact info. You can use the same email as your contact information. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Create to allow the app to be created. Once it's set up, head over to the Branding section and ensure everything is correct. Go to the Audience tab and add your test email, the email you will use to authenticate the account. Make sure to add it or access will be denied. Click Save. Now you can create other credentials. Click Client, then Create Client. For application type, choose Web Application and give it a name such as n8n Demo. For the authorized redirect URL, go to n8n and copy the redirect authorization URL under the credentials. Then head back to Google Cloud and paste that URL. Click Create. You have now officially created your credentials. Copy the client ID and client secret and enter them back into n8n. You will see the Google Sign In button appear at the bottom. Sign into Google using the email address you need access to and assign all the necessary permissions. Don't be alarmed by any warnings, just click Continue and Accept. Google Drive is now connected, but as you can see, it's not yet fully functional. There's still one last step. You must enable the necessary APIs in Google Cloud or the integration will not work. Head over to Google Cloud, search for Google Drive, click on the Google Drive API and enable it. Once enabled, it will start pre-populating into n8n. Now for the Gmail node, open the Gmail node and click Create Credentials. You will see a Sign In button. Click it to sign in and assign all necessary permissions. Click Continue and Accept. Make sure to also enable the Gmail API in Google Cloud, especially if you are self-hosting n8n instead of using the cloud version. Next, let's add Google Sheets to n8n. Open the Gmail node and click Create Credentials. Again, sign in and assign all required permissions, clicking Continue and Accept. Don't forget to enable the Google Sheets API in Google Cloud, particularly for self-hosted setups. Finally, let's add Google Docs credentials. Open the Google Docs node and click Create Credentials. Just like the Google Drive node, you'll need the client ID and client secret. You can use the same credentials you used for Google Drive. Head over to Google Cloud, copy your client ID and client secret, paste them in, and click the Sign In button to assign the necessary permissions. Click Continue and Accept. Remember to enable the Google Docs API in Google Cloud as well. And that's it. You've now added Google Apps into n8n. If you need to add other Google apps, follow the same steps.